Hello, this is the 5 o'clock news. Today the astronomers Brody and David would like to talk about astronomy, because that's what astronomers do.
We will talk about all types of stars, compositions, temperature, the HR diagram, and other fun stuff.
First topic, temperature. From a bluish white as the hottest star to an orange or red as the coolest star. The temperature is measured in Kelvin. The coldest stars go from 3,000 Kelvin and the hottest stars go up to 60,000 Kelvin. Second, how are stars' compositions identified? We use spectrometry. Since the 1800s, astronomers used it to find the color and the composition through the use of emitted light spectra. Other objects such as satellites and rovers are also used for the identification of a star's composition.
Next, what is the difference between apparent and actual motion? Apparent motion is when it looks like a star is moving from Earth, but it is actually immobile. Actual motion is when the star is actually moving. People have been asking lately about what are types of stars. There are 7 different types of stars. They are listed in order as their decreasing temperature go. 0, O, B, A, F, G, K, and M.
Other questions frequently asked are what are the differences between absolute and apparent magnitude? Apparent magnitude is describing how bright a star appears to be. Absolute magnitude is the measure of an object from far away. The Hertzsprung-Russell diagram, or the HR diagram, is the relationship of stars throughout stars' absolute magnitudes, or luminous sites, versus their spectral types or classifications and effective temperatures. Scientists use the HR diagram to identify the star.
Last, the main stages in the star are the star's life. First, the star is formed from a nebula. Next is the protostar. Third is the main sequence. Next is the red giant, then the planetary nebula. Then towards the end of its life, the core becomes a white dwarf, and now when it's dead, it's a black dwarf. Thanks for watching the news. This is your astronomers David and Brody saying goodnight. Watch the news for tomorrow to learn some more.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.